I can tell you so many jobs I've done. I've done millions of square feet. So many different jobs with AquaJet where you've had to kind of utilize the machine in a different way. We did a lot of bridges in the United States. We're from Canada, but we always had the one problem of not being able to filter the water to the requirements that we needed in Ontario. And now we have that. My name is David Porciello. I own, with a partner, Cor-Blast Services Incorporated. I also work for Conterra, and that does the restoration portion of our business. I do the demolition portion. We specialize in removing concrete, putting it back, repairing garages. I've done many bridges through North America with other equipment, and they usually capture the water, put it through stone or straw bales, filter media, which always creates another component of disposal if you use any kind of media. So I went down to AquaJet when they first launched it to see the EcoClear. I saw an online project that was utilizing it, and I was kind of blown away by it because I kind of developed my own through the years. It worked, but not in such a small format, which is fantastic. I mean, I just commissioned it, I think 2 weeks ago, and I walked up the platform. I still can't believe what enters it at this point, at 0 point, let's say, and 20 feet later, what I get in a small format. And it's going to change our industry in Toronto. And I think just having something that's environmentally friendly, and especially if you're in a remote area and you have to do a bridge where you can take water from a river and put it back into the ecosystem without any damages. So it's a phenomenal product. I'm still blown away by it. So the EcoSilence we have, it's got the Hubbleman pump in it. So I kind of grew up with that pump at the beginning, then moved to WOMA. But the older machines, we were running pretty high decibels in areas near hospitals. We had to buy cowl mufflers, put them on top of the roof, enclose sometimes, create baffles, just to get it down to somewhere where we can work like 73 or 75 decibels. But then when I saw the EcoSilence, I mean, it's down to 63 decibels. And I can have the same conversation. I think it's louder in here than what the machine actually produces. And when you can tell the difference when you actually open the doors and you see how loud the equipment is on the inside. So there's a powerful engine there, 700 horsepower. It is really loud, but the door shuts, you can't even hear it. So it's a good product, good pump, and it communicates with the robot. So that's the important part of having kind of one turnkey operation. The robot communicates directly with the power pack. And the safety aspect was the #1 reason I decided to go with AquaJet. So, like I said, turnkey, no issues, direct communication, very comfortable around the equipment.